Okay, here it is the next day, and it's still snowing. It's about 11 a.m. Been snowing all morning, all night. We plowed the driveway one more time probably about 3 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, it's snow covered again. The cars were all scraped off last night. They're covered. It's hard to tell how much we got because the snow drifts in some spots are so high. Come on. Let the dogs out. Come on. Hey, Oz. He's afraid of it. It's over his head.
What?
So it's still snowing. Alrighty. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
What's the noise?